I'm Robert O'Carroll, Materials Manager for Avidbots. We realised we needed a new system when we were having excessive line shortages and we were struggling to manage our bill of materials effectively. So we have satellite offices in 3 continents. So at the moment, production is centred here and service is supported out of here and out of Chicago. So managing inventories on multiple sites is a consideration for us, particularly where we have different business entities and tax considerations. Change management is a real struggle in any organisation, but the unique challenge of being in a startup is the rapid rate of change, both on the personnel side, the engineering side, the system side. It's a constantly changing environment. Yeah, when we considered ERP systems, we did a benchmarking exercise. We had an evaluation matrix where we looked at cost, we looked at support availability, we looked at the functionality of the systems. So we settled on Epicor as a product because it housed all of the desired functionality under one product umbrella. With a view to scalability, having multi-site functionality was a requirement. We used the advice and guidance of success in evolving our plan as needed. Working with Success, it's a relatively large organisation compared to other people, and having a range of professionals with expertise in certain core functionalities, a scheduling expert, a finance team, service module experts, that allows us to leverage the capability of the system. When we look at other software packages, CAD software, other software that we use, the deployment and the rollout is quite limited in scope and duration, whereas an ERP system, given that it touches all the core business systems, especially the financial side of the business, is a much larger exercise and requires resourcing accordingly. One of the advantages of Epicor is the strength of the learning materials. So embedded in the software, there's education modules, step-by-step examples of how to execute certain functionality. The field help functionality makes the database accessible for people to write custom reports and extract data in a meaningful way, gives a path to further learning. So you can be independent and evolve and develop your knowledge of the product. Businesses looking to deploy an ERP system, I would certainly recommend investigating Success and Epicor and their partnership to meet your business needs to solve your operational problems.